ABMU recognises that breastfeeding is the healthiest way to feed your baby. It recognises that the benefits are for mum and baby. Firstly, this close and loving relationship that it provides to them, but also there are medical benefits for mum. It reduces her risks of some cancers, and for babies it lowers their risks of being admitted for lots of different types of infections.
I coach because it's free. I also find it really easy. I like how I can just go out of the house and I don't have to worry about feeding baby. I know that it's there on tap. I also think it just feels really good to feed her, and I really like it when she looks at my face when I'm feeding her, and I just love how my milk's made especially for her and it adapts to her. I really like how it helps me feel connected with her, and it's our special thing that we do together, and I just feel really reassured that it has benefits for both of us, and not just for now but for the rest of our lives.
I help mum coach by giving the baby a bath, helping to feed mum, taking the baby out for a walk, driving mum to appointments and accompanying her to support groups. Yeah, I feel that breastfeeding's really important, having been breastfed when I was a baby myself, and it's something that I'd like to continue on through my family.
I help her to coach by helping her with her washing, by bringing dinner over sometimes so she hasn't got to worry about cooking, and also by being an extra pair of hands at home so that I can see to one of the children while she's nursing, or hold the baby while she's doing something with the older child. I accept that things have changed since I had my last child. I'm pleased that my daughter is breastfeeding because I feel that nature has given her all she needs to nourish and protect the baby.
I've had a really lovely breastfeeding experience, and I wanted to promote breastfeeding as much as I can. And I just think it's amazing that mums can get together and troubleshoot problems and realise that you're all in the same boat and you haven't got to suffer it on your own.
It's my first visit to the peer support group today. Little Toby was born 12 days ago, so started breastfeeding, and touch wood, it's going okay so far. So I thought it'd be nice to get some advice from other parents and the advisors. Everyone just seems really welcoming, it just seems really nice and casual, so there's no pressure. As you can see, lots of people are just enjoying and meeting up with friends, and it's just nice that it's really relaxed and calm, so that feel free to ask questions.
The advice I would give to new feeding mums would be to go out and get as much support as they possibly can. Ask anybody in the family who's breastfed for their help. My mum was amazing from the start to now. And to not be ashamed to feed in public. I was dreading it at the start, but everyone's been really supportive.
Some women struggle with breastfeeding, some find it very easy. The staff within ABMU, maternity and health visiting services, are all trained in breastfeeding support. And should you need any help in that time, we're here to support that. If you struggle during those early weeks and days, even months, we have an infant feeding team who are perfectly placed to support you in anything you need.